southeastern Dekalb County in north-central Illinois, northern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Midland to near Serena to near Ottawa, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Somonauk, Wiwx, Millbrook, Boulder Hill, Lake Holiday, Dayton, Bristol, Millington, Plano, Oswego, Lisbon, Wedren, Shire, Sandwich, Flatsville, Norway, Yorkville, Newark, Little Rock, Serena, Montgomery, Channahon, Morris, Plainfield, and Aurora. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning for western Dekalb County will expire at 2:30 p.m. The storms which prompted the warning have weakened below severe limits and have exited a warned area. Therefore, the warning will